If someone is traveling to many of the European countries and if a Schengen visa is required, Schengen visa travel medical insurance would be required. And Subai makes it very easy for customers to make an instant purchase of travel medical insurance with online payment and instant visa letter. They would go to our Schengen visa insurance page and complete the quote form. For example, they would like to get coverage from July 10th, 2020 till August 27th, 2020. Their citizenship is, say, Colombia. They can choose a policy maximum. A minimum policy maximum available is $50,000, but they can choose any other higher amount that they would like at their own choice. Here they would enter every person's age. So let's say the person is 35 years of age. If the person has a spouse, they could enter the spouse, say 32. And if there are any dependent children, they would enter the number of children, not exact age. For now, let's assume it's just one person, where the mailing address is outside of the USA, and their home country is also assumed to be Colombia, and they are yet to depart from their country. Now, once they click on Get Quotes, they will see various insurance plans from various companies. You can look at all of their details. You can also see quick details. You can maximize and see more details that will show you the brochure, the certificate wording, and all other pertinent details. Once you decide to purchase, you can click on a purchase button, but before that, if you would like to narrow these plans using any filter, you can then do so. For example, you would typically want one that has an instant visa letter or one that provides COVID-19 coverage. As you can see, all of the plans displayed in this section are with a $0 deductible. If they like, they can also compare plans side by side. So let's say they want to purchase this plan, Safe Travels International Cost Saver. Now they can click on this purchase button to purchase the plan. The policy maximum and deductible are already chosen. If they want some optional coverages, such as accidental death benefit or athletic sports, they can choose that too. And now they would click on the Continue button. Now here they would fill out most of the details, such as their email address, phone number, what country they're traveling to, their home country, which once again can be Colombia, destination country could be France. For example, they would enter their travel dates. Here they would enter the name, birth date, gender, passport number, citizenship, and they would also enter their home country address. Then they would just simply click the Continue button. So let's say that that person has already entered all of this information here. So once you click on the Continue button, you will go to the Review page, where you can see all different things that you have entered, and just to make sure everything's correct. In the next page, you would enter the credit card information. So here you can see the credit card information has been entered. And now you would just click the Purchase button. Once you click the Purchase button, you would see the immediate confirmation on your screen that has all the details, including their certificate number, ID card, and a link to print the visa letter. So you would click on the visa letter, and you would be able to see the instant visa letter. That has all the information that the visa officer would need, such as the deductible is $0, medical maximum is $50,000, evacuation and repatriation are included. Also, you can see that this plan covers COVID-19 the same as any other illness. So the same information displayed in the confirmation page will also be emailed to the person, and they can click on any of these links to get those documents. At any time, the person can also go to the My Account page and enter the certificate number and date of birth, and they can log in and see all of the policies that they have purchased, and where they can print the ID card, visa letter, the receipt, and so on. Just take that visa letter to the consulate along with the rest of the documents. Thank you.